Ayun, sobra siyang mabait nung baby pa siya kasi di siya iyakin. Yung may iwan namin siya kahit kunyari mamamaliki kami kasi si mother lang yung kasama namin dito, yung mama niya.
I can see you passing every day, waiting for a chance to say I am here too, I am here too.
Tapos si Zia, napapansin namin, humihina yung pagdidede niya sa bottle. Mas pinipili niya yung breastfeed. So yung papalapit yung araw, linggo, ganyan. Halos hindi na siya nagbabattle. Puro breastfeed na lang.
Parang alam niya na.
Mag-work at home na si mami. Ayoko na mag-battle. Parang ganyan. Ayun, hanggang sa nag-work from home na siya, hindi na siya talaga uminom ng battle. Kahit bigyan namin siya ng gatas sa battle niya, ayaw niya.
You don't have to have it all together now to have a ball. So pick up all your pieces, put them in your pockets. You can take off like a lovely little rocket. You can fly, 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 fly. All together now. All together now.
Hindi ko may paliwanag sobrang saya. Yung yung nakita namin siya tapos yung tipong yung nakita ko siya sa sa crib niya. Parang pinipilit niya pakidilat yung mata niya. Parang first day niya ganyan. Pinipilit niya idilat yung mata
sa
niya.
hospital, sa nursery.
Sa nursery room.
Don't have to have it all together now to have it all. You don't have to have it all together now to have a ball. So pick up all your pieces, put them in your pockets. You can take off like another little rocket. You can fly, 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 fly. All together now.
So yun, message lang namin para sa baby namin, baby Zia, is lumaki kang healthy, mapagmahal, tapos makilala mo si God, maging mabait ka sa mga tao sa paligid mo. Mapagbigay, tapos maging maunawain, sumunod lagi sa magulang. Tsaka mahal na mahal ka namin ng mami.
I love you, Zia.
I love you so much na
Happy
birthday! Happy first birthday! We love you.
We love you.
Mama Chuchu.